Okay, good morning. Now it's time for math. And once again, here we go. I'm your teacher, Guapo. I'm your math teacher in this class for grade 2. 2/2
Teacher Gwapo.
teacher Guapo. Okay, thank you. And now we will start a new lesson this morning. Okay, now let us start with this chapter 7. What is in chapter 7? In chapter 7, we will learn time, days, and months. Okay, time, days, and months. And this is the book that we are using. Okay, this is the book that we are using. So these are the book that we are using. This is the textbook and this is a workbook. So we have these two books. So we have done already in chapter 1 to chapter 6. Chapter 1 is numbers from 0 to 1000. Okay, chapter 2, addition and subtraction within 1000. Chapter 3, length. Chapter 4, weight. Chapter 5 is multiplication. And chapter 6 is division. And now we are here in chapter 7, time, days, and months. And last meeting, in a previous class, we learned to tell the time or periods of time in a day. So this time, we will try to understand AM and PM. What is AM? Is it apple and mango? What is A? Is it apple? What is M? Is it mango? Now let us try to understand what is AM and what is PM. Now our objective this morning is to tell the periods of time in a day and to understand AM and PM. Now here we go. Understanding AM and PM. Not BM, but AM and PM, okay? Not BM. Your classmate's name is BM. So this morning we will learn AM and PM only. BM, no. BM is not included here. So only AM and PM. So when we say AM, now what is AM? Is it apple and mango? What is AM and PM? When you were in grade 1, I told you what is AM and PM. Now, anyone from the class? Okay, now when we say AM, that means A means anti and M means meridian. Anti-meridian. When we say anti, okay, this is the abbreviation. AM is a short for the Latin phrase, okay? Anti-meridian is called, is a Latin phrase, not American phrase, not Thai phrase, not Filipino phrase, but this is Latin phrase, okay? It's a Latin phrase. We call it anti-meridian, which means before noon. When we say anti-meridian, that means before noon. Anti means before. Meridian means noon. So that means before noon. Okay, before noon. So A means before, anti means before. M, meridian means noon. So before noon. What is PM? When we say PM, that is pineapple and mango. Is it pineapple and mango? No. It's not pineapple and mango. P stands for post meridian. Okay, post meridian. When we say post meridian, that means after noon. Okay, after. Post means after, and meridian means noon. That's why we have here afternoon. Post meridian. Again, the word or the phrase post meridian is a Latin phrase. Okay, post meridian. So don't forget, this will come out in your final or midterm test. What is A again? What is AM? AM means anti-meridian. Okay, anti-meridian. What is anti-meridian? Anti-meridian means before
noon.
Before noon. Okay, anti-meridian means before noon. Okay, before noon. How about post-meridian? Post-meridian, what does it mean?
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay. Post meridian means after noon. So don't
No.
when we say AM, before noon. What is before noon? Morning. Morning is before noon
Morning.
time. Dawn time,
Morning.
that dawn time is early in the morning. Afternoon. Afternoon, that means we have evening, we have nighttime, okay? After noon. Okay. Now I hope everybody understand what is AM and PM. Okay. Post meridian and anti meridian. Okay. Everybody thumbs up if you understand AM and PM. Thumbs up. Okay. When we say A, that means before. Anti means before. Post, after. Finish already. Okay. After. Now here we go. Here we go. Understanding and telling AM and PM. Okay, you can see here, this is like a dark time. There is a moon, and here is there's a sun. Is a like a light, right? Light. Here is dark. Now here we go. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture. This girl named Sokjang. Do you know Sokjang? Do you know her? Sokjang is in the other class. Sokjang is in 2/2, right? So Sokjang is in 2/2, and Sokjang's alarm clock woke her at 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning. Okay, 7 in the morning. So how do we show that it is 7 in the morning and not 7 at night? Okay. How do we show that it is 7 in the morning and not 7 at night? So there are 24 hours, right? There are 24 hours in one day. Okay, one day, 24 hours. One day. Okay, 24 hours. Now, if there are 24 hours, those 24 hours are divided into 2 parts. Okay, each part is 12 hours long. Okay, 12 hours long. Again, 2 parts. The 24 hours, because one day, 24 hours. Okay, one day. Monday, 24 hours. Tuesday, 24 hours. Another day, 24 hours. So we will divide the 24 hours into 2 parts, AM and PM. Okay, AM and PM. Now, we have the clock. Can you see the clock there? Now you will see the clock that there is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hours. There is no clock such as 24 hours. Have you seen a clock, 24 hours clock? Analog clock? No, it's only 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 12. No 13, 14. No, there is no, right? There is none. Because we are using a 12-hour system. So these parts are called AM and PM. Okay, 12 hours for AM, 12 hours for PM. Okay, all new? Okay, all new? Okay, again, 12 hours for AM, 12 hours for PM. So 12 plus 12, we have 24. 12 for before noon, 12 after noon. Okay, 12 after noon. Now, here we go. Here we go. The first part of the day goes from midnight to noon. Okay, midnight to noon. It is the morning. Okay, it is the morning. We call the time between midnight. Okay, midnight, that is 12. Midnight to noon, that is AM. What is AM again? Lokchu, what is AM? Before
noon.
Before noon. So midnight to noon, that is AM, that is before noon. Very good. AM comes from Latin phrase that means before noon. Okay. Now, the second part of the day goes from noon to midnight. Here, from midnight to noon, right? From midnight to noon. Midnight to noon, right? But here in the second part, this one is first part, midnight to noon. Now the second part, okay, the second part is from noon to midnight, okay, from noon to midnight. Noon to midnight, we can see it here, noon to midnight, and that is called, okay, it is the afternoon and the evening. Okay, afternoon and the evening, you will see a moon and stars. So we call the time between noon and midnight as PM. What is PM again? Nawa, what is PM?
Afternoon.
Okay, PM means afternoon. Okay? Afternoon from midday to midnight. Okay, now but you have to be careful. You have to be careful. Why? Because it is both light and dark during the AM. AM, before noon, we have darkness and there is light. Okay, light and dark in AM. The same thing in PM. It is both light and dark during PM. In AM, there's a dark. In PM, there is also darkness. Both have dark and light, AM and PM. Now let us understand more deeper. Here we go. Let's go back to Sokjang, your friend. So Sokjang's alarm clock woke her at 7 in this morning. Okay, in this morning or in the morning. What do you think? AM or PM?
AM.
Huh?
AM.
If your answer is AM, that means it is correct or wrong?
AM.
So did Sokjang's alarm clock wake her at 7 a.m. or p.m.? It is 7 a.m. Very good. Congratulations. You did it. Now, next, here. Who is this? Do you know her? Her name is Alenta. Alenta's mother read her a bedtime story at 8:30. 8:30. Now, the question here is, was Alenta's bedtime story at 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m.? This is bedtime story.
AM.
A.m. or p.m.?
AM. AM.
Bedtime. AM. Bedtime means that's the time that you go to sleep. Time that you go to sleep. A.m. or p.m.?
PM.
PM. Is 8:30 p.m. Bedtime story. Bedtime is before you sleep, your mom will tell you a story. That is nighttime, right? So it's 8:30 p.m. This one is Pakin. Do you know Pakin? Pakin is in 2/2 classroom. He is from 2/2. So this is Pakin. Pakin washed his hand before eating supper. Supper is another term, we call it dinner, okay? Eating supper or eating dinner. PM or PM?
PM. PM. PM.
That is PM. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Okay, very good. That's right. Now let us proceed. Let us proceed now. Okay. Now here we go. Because you did a great job, I want you to prepare your book or open your book on page 109. Okay, 109. Okay, everybody pencils up. Everybody pencils up, pencils up, pencils up. Okay, I know everybody's ready now. So let's start now. Here we go. This questions is on page 109 from letter A to letter G. Okay, letter A to letter G. Everybody unmute your microphone. I want everybody to tell the answers. So everybody unmute your microphone. I want everybody to participate in here.
หน้าอะไรเหรอครับครู
109. 109.
109
Okay, ready?
หน้าหนึ่งศูนย์
109. Are you ready?
Ready. I'm ready.
Okay, good. Now, letter A, let us read. Ready, go. Henry.
Henry wake up at
6 a.m. or p.m.?
a.m.
Henry wakes
AM.
up at 6 a.m. Okay, 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Everybody finished already? Just write a.m. Don't forget to put a dot. Okay, put a dot. This one, a and then dot, m and then dot. Letter B. Letter B. He walks. Ready, go.
He walked to school at 8 a.m.
Okay, because in the morning, right? So he walks to school at 8 a.m. That means in the morning. Okay, in the morning. That's in the morning. Okay, it's very easy. Pencils up, pencils up, pencils up. Okay, letter C. This one is after school.
He
Reaches. Again. Is this word is reaches? Okay, reaches. Again, after school.
Afternoon school. At 2 p.m.
Okay, p.m. because it's afternoon. Okay, if afternoon we write p.m. If morning we write a.m. That means before noon. Okay, before noon, a.m. Okay, pencils up. It's easy. It's very easy. Pencils up. Pencils up. Letter D. Letter D. He does his homework.
His homework at 3 p.m.
Again, please. He does his homework. p.m. Very good. p.m. 3 p.m. Okay. 3 p.m. Pencils up. Pencils up. Pencils up, 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 up. Okay, now letter E. Letter E. He cycles in the park. At 5
p.m.
Both here.
p.m. The number of your class.
When? A moment.
PM เหรอ PM นะนาวา PM ใช่ PM แล้วใครเลยจะไปปั่นจักรยานตอนตี 5ล่ะ
Letter E. Here is
PM.
p.m. Okay, dinner time. Letter F. He has dinner.
He has dinner at 9 p.m.
Okay, 9 p.m. That's right.
อีกแล้ว PM เยอะจังเลย He goes to sleep at 10 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Next, he goes to sleep at 10 p.m. Okay, it's so easy. So that's all for today, and I have something to tell you here. Now, I want you to do this one. Okay? I want you to do this one. I will send it to you. Okay? You need a clock, and then you write here example. 7:15 a.m. 7:15 a.m. is eat breakfast. And then here you write here 8:20 a.m. I have class in the morning. School. Okay, so I will send it to you. Okay, I will send the copy of this to you so that you will be able to answer this. Yes, Pokpong.
หน้าอะไร
Pokpong. Pokpong. You will write here
Teacher,
the
what
different
if?
activities, okay? You will write here the different activities that you do, okay, that you do in a day, okay? For example, 7:15, what is Pokpong doing? Pokpong is eating a breakfast, okay? Ate the breakfast. Here, 8:20, it's up to you. 8:20, maybe you are doing your, you have a class. Noontime, you are having your lunch. And then maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon, you have another class again. And then maybe 6 in the evening, you are having your play time, okay? Play with your friends, okay? So this is all about in this activity, okay? Okay, so that's all for today. I will send a copy of this to you. Yes, Lokchub,
What is?
this one is not in your book. This one is not in your book. I will just send it a copy of this to you. Okay, I will send it in our group line. Okay. Okay, thank you. God bless everyone. That's all for today. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. See you all.